I have some very, very exciting news. We are for the first time going to do a theta healing retreat. And this is very exciting because it gives everyone a chance to really immerse themselves in the theta healing technique, go deep, have big transformations, and also of course having a really, really wonderful and magical time. This is going to take place in Spain, in Granada, and it's happening in August 2021. This is a retreat for people who want to become theta healing practitioners. It's also for people who just want to work on themselves, go through their own transformational journey, and perhaps just use it for friends and family. And we are going to learn the theta healing technique. You're going to come out knowing how to shift your belief systems. You're going to be able to connect with your higher self. You're going to be able to go into very, very deep meditation. We will work specifically on beliefs around manifesting in abundance, basically having the life you want, and specifically around love. It'll be like a journey of self-discovery, and also looking for love. This part of the course is called Soulmate. And you will be able to release any blocks, anything that's in the way of what it is that you want in your life, and then move forward with ease. It's a little bit like suddenly all the doors are opening and things are just coming into your life with ease and grace. Now, we're going to have an amazing time, and I can't wait to be there, and I look forward to seeing you there as well. And all the information in terms of dates, prices, we have one amazing early bird prices, and all of this is in the notes, so please have a look, contact us, we would love to hear from you. Any questions, just let us know. And as I said, I look forward to seeing you. Take care. Bye-bye.